Created by the piling up of earth plates and shaped by the merciless forces of the elements surrounding you. It is this impressive dominance on you that inspires us. It challenges us and therefore manages to unite us in our passion. Nevertheless, we are only guests here, because you have always belonged to the animals and insects that call you home. It is this wealth of life that makes you a special place. Witnesses from the past still tell us about days that are long gone. Your far-sightedness has always been worth the effort to climb up to you. For your countenance, as well as your view, are truly special. Because you are the Gantrisch, a paradise carved from stone like no other. You amaze me, and you always succeed to enchant me. You are my longing and my motivation. What would we be without you?